guys, so I thought it was about time that I did a review on the Herbal Cleanse Dry Shampoo. I mentioned this a few months ago, I think it was about 2 to 3 months ago, and I will definitely link the video where I mentioned it. So I'm at a stage now where I can talk about this product confidently and let you know how it works. So first of all, it's very obvious that this dry shampooing in general should not be a substitute for washing your hair weekly. This is just if you want to stretch your hair for a few days, maybe you can't wash it for any reasons, you might be super busy, but with the intention of washing it a few days later. So I tested this product just to see exactly how it would work, and what happened was that I had my mini twist in with my natural hair a few weeks or months ago, and I said, okay, this week I'm not going to wash my hair with shampoo as I usually do. I'm going to use my dry shampoo and let a week pass and see exactly how my hair feels and see exactly how effective this works. What I realized was that my scalp was itching, basically. It started to itch, and I just realized that because my scalp is sensitive, my skin is sensitive, and it reacts in a way to certain products. So if I put a product directly on my scalp, it will get irritated. So I can only put oils on my scalp, but my hair doesn't like actual product on my scalp. So that made me realize that this is something that should be used just to stretch your wash day for a few days only. And for me and my personal use, that's how it works. Remember, I exercise as well 3 times a week. I don't sweat, I don't overly sweat like crazy, but which is a blessing to me because my hair is still retained, but I don't think that should stop you guys from leading a healthy lifestyle in terms of exercise. So I basically need to wash my hair once a week. I have narrowed it down to once a week. It used to be twice a week, but I just want to retain as much of the natural sebum as possible. Another thing about this, I think it's a good product. First of all, I like the smell. This is advertised to be used on locks. If you read well, it does say braids, locks, twists, and you can refresh your hair with this. I like the fact that it smells good. I like the fact that it's got this applicator here. It's an alternative, it's an option for you. And if you don't have sensitive scalp, then this may work for you, but don't use it weeks and weeks on end because your hair actually needs to feel that water because our hair loves water. The way that this works for me is basically I use Eco Styler Gel, and I'm going to do a video reviewing that soon as well because again I'm confident on that, and I use that. And one of the things about Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil one, is that it flakes very easily. It may depend on the product you mix with it or how much you use. I use this on where I lay the gel to lay my edges basically. So I'll put this on my edges and really like leave it on for a minute, which it directs you to do, and I will just kind of like get the flakes out, really just comb them out or just fluff them out. And this is the only way that I use this. Any other way, I just decided that I'm going to wash my hair once a week. The problem I was having with my natural hair mini twist is that when I washed my hair with shampoo, it lost its kind of like volume and it kind of goes flat. And in one sense, I like that look because it looks like locks are starting to form, and it gives this kind of faux lock look as if you're trying to achieve locks. But on the other hand, I like the way my hair is when I first install braids, and it's quite bouncy and it's quite full and thick looking. I like that look as well. So my solution is yarn twists. So as you can see, I've taken out my yarn twists, and it was 5 weeks. I was thinking between 4 to 6 weeks. So I've reached my goal in terms of that protective style, and I'm happy with my hair. I would do it again, I think. Washing my hair once a week with my yarn twist was quite good because it's not like it took anything away from the way it looked. After it dried, it was fine. It still kind of looked the same. It held well. That's what I liked about it as well. The yarn twist lasted even though I was washing it. So this directs that you can use it to cleanse your scalp, or you can do like a very in-depth cleanse as well, where you go through each single braid and then you'll put a small amount of product to a towel and you wipe each braid, lock or twist to just refresh your hair. So what I take from this is that it refreshes your hair for a temporary period. If this is something that you're interested in doing or trying, or if you have tried it, please let me know. I hope this video helped you. I'll also have the ingredient list in the show more box. The show more box is where you can also find my social media links if you want to stay in touch outside YouTube. And some of you have been saying that you haven't seen my YouTube videos, and I think it's kind of hit or miss with that, because some of you can see them and others can't, and it's really weird. But what you need to do is, when you subscribe, you need to hit the notification bell so that you can stay in touch and get notified when I upload a video. And you wouldn't want to miss out on the fun, because we're going to have a lot of fun on this channel, so hey. But thank you for watching. God bless, and I will see you soon. Bye.